How's it going, guys? Mater. Alright, one thing I want to let y'all know, yeah, I'm feeling better. But I said the other night I'm going to be working on doing a video on repairing a TV. This is my mom's TV. It's a Hisense 42 inch. It's model F42K20E. And the problem that I'm having with it is it keeps changing the input, okay? And on the very back over here on this side is all your buttons and everything. I thought she kept hitting something on the remote to change the input because it was supposed to set up for HDMI. It kept saying cable. I'm going, Mom, what button are you hitting? She kept saying she wasn't hitting one. So finally did it another time. I went in there and I pushed the input button and it wouldn't change. Okay? It kept doing other stuff. Okay, so it's telling me maybe this control panel here has gone bad. Looked it up, and I managed to find one on eBay. It was like $10.81, tax and shipping and everything. So I had it sent to me, and I just had my Phillips screwdriver. Or I set it down and, oh, there it is. So anyways, I'm going to take this thing apart. I'm trying to see if I've got it. It looks like June 18th, 2012. So just a little over 10 years old. So it's not really all that old. But I'm going to take this thing apart. And going to be probably pausing everything. Because I don't know how long this is going to take. And everything. But I'm fixing to find out with y'all how long it will take. So I'm just taking the back and everything off, trying to get these screws out. Because I mean, for $10.81, I figured that's a lot cheaper than spending, almost $300 on going and getting a new TV and everything. And when instead I could just take it apart and get it fixed. I mean, this is a LED TV. So, it's like I said, it's only 10 years old. Oh, set it down. And then I got to take this screws out for the stand. Because I'm hoping that all I got to do is take out this back panel and everything off and be able to get to that inside there and get it swapped out. And of course, once I get it all swapped, if I do stop the video, I will restart and show y'all what's going on. But I mean, this is something that's, simple. To me, it's something simple. To everybody else, it might be something a lot more complicated. I don't know. I have no idea what your technical field is on doing something like this. But mechanical field, yeah, I got no problem doing it. Okay, we got the base. That's pretty heavy right there. Well, I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. And the reason you got to take the base off because there's a couple of screws up underneath it to hold the back on. Because when I took that other TV apart, yeah, that's what I had to do. So there's several Phillips screws on here. I'm going to take out. I don't know how many. I'll find out here in a few minutes. I'm hoping I just got to take these little ones out. Well, hopefully everybody's doing good. I have done a little bit on the shelving. I got another shelf put up. I'm going to start doing some, whoa, something fell on the top of the roof. Damn squirrels. Squirrels or cats. I don't know if y'all heard that or not. But I mean, yeah, this is something simple and easy. The only problem is just taking all these screws out. Because I remember, was it last year or so? The other TV my mom had, she broke the screen on it. Well, it was so old that I couldn't even get the parts for it. I couldn't get another flat screen on it. So I was like, okay, forget it. I was just going to see if I could use that, get how much it was going to cost to get that one fixed and everything. See if it would be worth it or not, and go from there. I got a couple of big screws here. I'm about 4 of them. Looks like I don't know if I got to take them out or not. Fixing to find out. Let's see if I can or not. Do I have to? Yeah, it looks like I'm going to take these big ones out also. That's no big deal. I'm going to take those out probably. But I mean, like that was a much older one, and had an LCD screen to it, and it wasn't it wasn't going to be worth it to get that one fixed. That one definitely was not worth the money. Where I got her a TV in the living room. This is one. So 10 years ago, I was working for Kohl's DC, and they were doing a giveaway or drawing and everything for different prizes, and lo and behold, my name got drawn. So I wanted getting this. This was my prize. So I wound up giving it to my mom as a Christmas present. So she's got that in her room. Okay, I think I got everything else. So I can get this back panel off. Yep. There's the back panel. I don't need the power screen. I don't need the main input for it. I've got that off. Okay. That's good. It's just going to be finding out where this one hooks in. Unplug, because it's a simple, plug in and everything. Just quick disconnect. There's just 2 screws holding it on. Couple little itty bitty screws. Now, we got a piece of tape holding the wire to the back, which I'll have to see about getting off of here. Okay. Yeah, piece of Scotch tape. There's a couple of them that just hold the wires down. Okay, looks like I got a cover plate. We'll move the camera that way you can see. Anyway, there's the back of it. I'm trying to see. Look at the camera. But anyways, right here. This right here. This is what I got to get replaced. But the wiring comes up. It was only held down in a couple spots. But anyways, it's going up underneath here. So I got to take this plate off. So let the camera back down. That way you can see me and still hear me. Luckily, these are all, Phillips screws. No big deal. Not specialty. Which I don't have a problem doing that. Little ground wire. Well, these aren't even really all that tight. Let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 7 little screws to put in. or take out. But I mean, I don't have to worry about replacing the power board. I mean, you've got the power board, and then you've got controller, just control board or whatever. I don't know why they. Oh, that's the thing for the stand itself. Well, I've got that. Like I said, I get this off, and then should be able to get to the part where the disconnect is. There's all that. So the screwdriver down. Okay, this is coming off. Okay. It just runs up underneath there. Put on some more tape. And another piece right there. Okay, I'm looking at my wiring. Well, you should have this taped down. Alright, and there's where it's connected in. So I gotta figure out. Okay, yeah, it's unplugged. Okay, so I've got that one that's unplugged. And I've got the new one. And this, like I said, it was 1081. It's the only one I could find on eBay for it. Then let's do some comparison. Let's see, input. Okay, got menu, input, volume up and down, channel up and down, on and off. So this is your main controller. Okay, so that's the bad one there. This is the new one. It's going to go over there. So let me run this wire up beneath here. And I'm getting it plugged in. Okay, that's plugged in. I'm going to try and run all this tape back down. No, that's not wanting to hold, but yeah. Get those two little screws. There's one and two. I don't have it plugged in, so I don't. That way I'm not getting shocked, and that way nothing gets contaminated or whatever we'll call it. Hopefully this does work, because I mean I'd rather spend this kind of money. I mean, for $10.81, and I'm getting it fixed myself. You know, yeah, I know it's 10 years old, and yeah, I know I could go get a newer one. My mom's not going to care. She's not going to complain. Okay, where to put that plate? Okay, the plate's over here. So, I know those get up underneath there. Right, so that's going to go. I'm going to get everything lined back up. Aha. It helps if I got it right the right way. Yeah. Okay. So I've got that there. Okay. Got that screw goes in that one. Hopefully everybody's doing good. Like I said, I'm putting it all back together. Yeah, I mean, this is something simple, easy. I mean, I mean, to me, like I said, I'd rather spend, like I said, I didn't even spend 11 bucks and it shipped to me. So we're going to find out here in a little bit, you know, how this went and everything. Y'all see me getting my hand close because that's where I've been putting the screws down at. Just picking up the camera's right there. Just Phillips screw, little short ones. And yes, I'll make sure that that one screw is for the ground wire. The back over here. Hey, y'all can see this is not taking long. I mean, I've already got it all taken apart. I'm already going back together with it all, which is, you know, something pretty simple and easy to do. I mean, I couldn't believe how many different, you know, I found several different parts and everything for the Hisense TVs and everything. It's like, oh, okay, no big deal. Okay, got that all. That's all put back together. Okay, I think now I'm ready to put the back panel on, which I'll have to get the power cord run back through here. Which is no big deal. There's that. All I gotta do is set it back down. Make sure I got everything lined up. Which is what I'm trying to get done. Okay, we're lined up there and there. Yeah. Like the infamous Hannibal Hayes says, I love it when a plan comes together. So now once I get this all finished put together, I'm going to plug it in here, and then yes, I will turn it on just to make sure that that function button does work and everything. So I guarantee you, like I said, me spending that money, me doing this, I mean, I'm trying to see how long, or not even, you know, like I said, 18 minutes. I'm already over halfway done putting this thing back together. Because I did look at Walmart and a few other places, and as far as TVs, and it's like, damn, it's that much just for another one? Put this, let's see, I bet it's got to go like that and then down. But as far as going out and spending the money for another one, I mean, yeah, I could have, but was it worth the money to go buy another TV? Not really. It's just like, you know, cars or motorcycles or anything like that. It's like something breaks on them. Is it, you know, worth the time to get them fixed? Yeah. I mean, you're not going to throw it away if you can't be fixed. I mean, that's one big thing I don't like nowadays is the fact that most things, the way they're built, is to be thrown away. Because they're not built correctly to me. Okay. Now just all these other little screws that go around. Got that one there, and I got another one that's right there also, a little short one. Got And these are different screws throughout the whole thing. Most of them that go around the outer edge are like going from into plastic and everything, but these here are all machine screws. So it's easy to find out. And so I got those all done. Got one more. It's right there. No, it looks like I got one more. One, two, three. Got those four. Uh-oh, looks like I got one extra. Oop, I know I took it out. Don't remember where it went. I missed one somewhere. Unless it's a different one. I'm looking, I'll find out. Oh, there it is. It's over there. That's where this other little one goes. It goes in right here. So no, I hadn't missed it. And just, guys, think about what it would cost if, say, not only going and buying another TV, but also, say you take this to a repair shop, TV repair shop. How much are you going to spend on that guy or girl taking and doing the same thing? I mean, as you can tell, it's not that much money. This is, very cheap. I mean, like I said, if you're mechanically inclined, like most people should be, I mean, something like this is going to be easy to fix. As you can tell, for me, it's something easy. And like I said, I'm almost done with this. And I'm not using, I know I could use my power drill, but no, on something like this, it'd be better just for the regular, good old screwdriver. Because these here, you don't need a lot of power to get them tight. And I'm just using a regular Phillips screwdriver. Got these all put back. Now I'm just tightening up these in the back of it. Then I'll get the stand put back on. And I will let y'all know that I'm looking at actually going back to Harbor Freight. Yes, I'm thinking about going back to Harbor Freight. They've actually got something there. I won't say about getting. I've got weeds and everything. And yes, I did look at Cobalt first. Cobalt's got like a 2.1 gallon sprayer. I'm going, yeah, that's decent size. It's bigger than the Bauer 1 gallon. And yeah, I could use my 24 volt batteries, which I got plenty of. And I think it was like $99. That's not bad. But to me, for the same price, or actually a little bit more money, Harbor Freight's got I don't remember what the part number is, but they actually have a 4 gallon, it's what, backpack sprayer. And I looked at, I was watching Chicken Hawk Farmstead, which, hey, thank you for putting a video out about that. Because now it's got me, like I said in the comment, I might have to see about going and getting one. But I saw that. I'm going, that would be neat to have. Okay, now let's put the back on it. Or not the back, but the stand. 4 screws. These are 4 machine screws right here. Once I get them tightened down, I'll plug it in, turn it on, and make sure that it does what it's supposed to do. If it don't, then I got to do something else. I know that was not the problem. But anyways, no, Harbor Freight, they've got it's a 4-gallon, it's a Bauer 4-gallon backpack sprayer. So I may want to go in and getting that. And I've got a little cart here. It's a little foldable cart. I was actually going to throw it away. It's on wheels. Because I have no use for something like that. And it's like, no, I'll keep it. You know, I might find something. But what I'm thinking about doing is actually getting it and getting it, that little cart and everything set up for that little backpack sprayer to put that, you know, like I said, get that backpack sprayer put on. Okay, that's done. Very carefully get this thing picked up. Alright, I'm going to get it plugged in. I got my little power strip here. Alright, well, turn this around that way y'all can see it. That way I still got... Okay, moment of truth here. So, bottom one is power. Should be. Hey, it's coming on. Okay, this is what I was getting beforehand. Oh, where's the top one? Yep, that's doing it. That got it fixed because I had her set up for HDMI 3. There, hey, it's fixed. Now I can take this back in. My mom's going to be very happy. But, alright guys, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't, hit that bell. But as you can tell, hey, 42-inch Hisense flat screen LED, that the problem was the input control panel had gone bad. Now, like I said, I did get this off of eBay. Hey, it's 10 years old. I don't know if Hisense would even still carry it. But hey, problem solved. Now, if I do get that sprayer from that Bauer sprayer and everything from Harbor Freight, you know I'm going to be doing a video on it, getting it all set up in the little tote thing. Yes, I'll be buying some Bauer tools, which I know I have been wanting to get to another brand, but hey, I'm gonna have to. I mean, for the money and everything, it's worth it. So, hey, like I said, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell. That way you know when I got another video. Leave me a comment. Hey, tell me what you think. I'd like to have some input on this. So, till then, stay safe. God bless.